To be fair, there is a little bit of an intraday recovery which has taken place in the financials as well. Let's get Aditya Agarwala to talk a little more about the technicals of the market. Aditya, hi, welcome to the show. What would you be strategizing today, both in terms of the Nifty as well as the Sensex and specific stocks?
Good afternoon, thanks for the show. So Mangalam has pointed out sometime back that markets are in a range today being the weekly expiry. And on the downside, clearly for the past three trading sessions, we are seeing 16,900 towards 16,860 on the downside, acting as a key support area. That also happens to be the 200 DMA. So that is somewhere markets are trying to find support at the moment in the past three trading sessions. And today in trade as well, 16,960 next 16,950 on the downside has acted as an immediate support. My sense is market could see a bit of a recovery from those levels and maybe head to levels of 17,100 on the upside. Again, something to notice is a market is also forming lower highs. So market started correcting from 17,450, made a lower high 17,250, 300, and in trade today or yesterday made a high of 17,150. So market's been continuously making a lower high, which clearly tells you that selling pressure is increasing at any pullback rallies. So maybe if not today, next week you could see some sort of a correction continuing in the market. But maybe for the day, because it's an expiry session and the derivatives also suggest that 16,900 is a good support area, you could see maybe a bit of a bump up both on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty as well, where intraday support is at 38,500 or 38,480. Considering that I'm looking for a bounce back, there are a couple of buy calls that I would look at. The first has to be from the pharma pack. Pharma is providing some support to the markets, and Sun Pharma is one which stands out clearly. It's broken out from a consolidation pattern, so one can go ahead and buy at current levels. Good volume activity here. On the upside, look for a target of 990 with a stop loss at 950 on the downside. The second stock recommendation is Triveni Engineering. This is one stock which has been popping up on the screen for some time now, and it is forming a good upward momentum. One can go ahead, buy at current levels, look for a target of 310 on the upside with a stop loss at 270 on the downside.
All right, thanks a lot for that. Aditya, always a pleasure listening to you and your views. But that's about the technicals. What we do